What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy Geek. So here is the Yiven 2-in-1 USB cable. Yes, jump to the screen and let me do the unboxing of this U1 Baseus U1 2-in-1 USB cable. Jump to the screen. Here is the Baseus dual micro USB and type C cable. Sometimes you travel a lot, you carry like a camera and a phone. The phone use a USB-C, the camera use a micro USB, but you need a one cable in your pocket or easily accessible from your bag. Suddenly your camera is dying or your phone is dying. You cannot open your tech bag. You cannot go down. You just need one cable which is 2-in-1. You can plug in on the airport or while you're flying. Nowadays nearly every aircraft have like a USB 1 amp or 2 amp charging socket. So this is from the back. This is a 2.4 amp as you can see from the back. I'm showing you. Okay, and then here we go. Let me throw this one aside. Okay, here we go. Let me, the good thing is that, okay, this is something cool. This is literally 2-in-1 as you can see. I love this one. I just wanna say I love this one. This is something cool and awesome. This is something awesome. This is USB type C and this is micro USB. So this one for my wife and this one is for me. Yeah, it's quite good. The cable is quite good, to be honest with you. I can recommend it. Cannot recommend. The build quality is quite good. The quality is quite good. Yeah, I can easily recommend. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.